On Tuesday, TIPRA Motha strengthened its grassroots presence in the Mandai Pulinpur constituency with a successful joining ceremony at Joinagar VC. The event saw 15 voters from 5 families renounce their previous political affiliations to join TIPRA Motha. The newcomers were received by the party's candidate for the constituency, Jiten Debbarma, who ceremonially welcomed them into the party fold. Speaking in Mandai Pulinpur, TIPRA Motha candidate Jiten Debbarma addressed the shifting political landscape, asserting that voters who were once swayed by false promises from rival leaders are now returning to the party. Debbarma attributed this strength to the deep-seated respect for the Bubagra, which continues to serve as a primary catalyst for party reunification.
Belanya Hambai, Tini 7 तारिख April 2026 mo Fungjorao, Chini Uttor Joinagar VC.The mo Sipthakor Para. Sipdurga Thakor Parani, Chini Takuk Buhusong, Dini 5 family ni Pondro Butar, Tini TIPRA Motha Ebasini Bubagrano, Logirinan Bagay, Tashini Tanchano, Tev Crack Tanyani Bagay, Tini Borok Chong Baksa Gadal Paka, and as a candidate, Ozagani, or Mandai Pulinpurni, Borgo Lamsogina Kabu Kubeke, Tayasa Klayotini, Born visitation Kanaka, Joma Hikano, Zaga Zagawa, Chini TIPRA Sarakno, Mane. Bull cock sawi, tatal baji cock sawi, Tini Mahika Logish, Hoitami, Borno, Kisisa Lamar, Corona Night money. In a Hina Hebor Tinitisha, Govunus Haimane, Tinibor Pika, Abun Bogi Borno Belake, and Tevisha Kabe Kovilam Sogo, Tinoma Hikano, Kurun Zagabo, Tini Kubama Borok Lama, Corin Tonkona Himatongo, Kishu Borok Bamaka Zagi Tomani, Tini Abuni Hoitibor Tini Pika, Tini Table joining Toshini Tonko, and Gayabor Novos and Tangilam Soknai, and Getabu Borno, Tam Sanebono. Chini TIPRA Motha Tini Simi, Chini Bubagran Logivo, Jekuno, Kahamo, Hamiavo, Chini Bubagran is Jobavo, Borno, Subsomino active Kayon Konani Bagay, Borna, Koimo Wonderday, they Borno, Hamabuma.
Reported by Malin from Mandai, Chini Khorang.